Situated in the popular town of Nailsworth, 3-bedroom Beehive Cottage has off-road parking with a garage, a beautiful garden with wonderful views and a well-presented interior. Let's have a look around. Nailsworth town has a range of independent shops and cafes, as well as a 5-star restaurant and friendly local pubs. The town also has an annual art festival and has easy access to Stroud train station as well. We enter the property into a spacious open-plan kitchen and dining room, which offers plenty of built-in modern-style units, and there are views looking out to the front. Leading through, the good-sized sitting room is well presented and benefits from a beamed ceiling and beautiful feature Cotswold stone fireplace with a wood burner. There are also double doors that lead out to the rear patio and garden. Adjacent to the stairs up to the first floor is a storage cupboard, and next to this is the family bathroom. The first bedroom lies next to this. Off from here is the master bedroom, which enjoys access out to a raised terrace from where to sit and relax and take in the far-reaching views. To the second floor there is a lovely spacious attic room, enjoying a pitched roof beam ceiling and views looking out over the rear garden. Completing the interior of the property is a further good-sized storage room. The generously sized garden can be accessed via a side gate, which leads onto a good-sized patio area. The rest of the garden is complete with rows of vegetable patches. Off-road parking with a garage, a beautiful garden and situated within Nailsworth town, Beehive Cottage is perfect if you're looking for a well-presented home in a sought-after location. And if you're interested and want to have a look at this property for yourself, why not contact the Perry Bishop Stroud Valleys branch with the number shown on screen, or have a look at our website for more details.